one time before our football game, and there was a counter, and it was a corner counter, and I was sitting in the counter, and behind me there was a candle lit, and I didn't know it was lit, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna stay here. So I went and stood there, and then the next thing I knew, everyone was like, oh my god, your hair's on fire, and I was like, what the fuck? And my sister was like laughing, and she's like, hold on, I need to put this in the microwave. I'm like, are you kidding me? So instead of helping me get my hair off fire, she decides to microwave her freaking burrito, right? And then Nadia was laughing her ass off. She's like, I don't know what to do. And freaking Emily goes and grabs like a bottle of water, and instead of like opening it and pouring water on my hair like she should have, she just threw the bottle on my head. She's like, use it. I'm like, what the fuck? So I like patted down, and I was like, ah, and I was like screaming, and no one was home except for us three. And then I don't remember what happened, but it just, my hair got
Actually, it was 4.
For
There's
what?
3 of you,
Well,
and then you, so
yeah.
that would make 4.
Yeah, we were
No wonder
there.
why you're not good in
And
math.
Shut up, I have a B.
You should have a
minus.
D.
I have a D